Hi, V. Evans here from Stress Free Tech, ET Digital Designs, and this tutorial is on how to restore a backup if something goes wrong on your website and you need to restore your backups that you have. So I'm here in my test website, and Updraft Plus is the program I use for doing all my backups. So if I go to Backup and Restore, you will see here's where you can back up. And you will see if you take regular backups, there'll be a list of all the backups that you've taken. So I take my backups regularly, as you can see, and I always take a backup before I do an update. And so if I want to restore, so say for example, some of the scenarios and when you might want to restore a backup is plug is conflicted and it's caused your site to go seriously wrong, and it would take a lot of work to fix it. So then you can go to a previous backup when you know the website was working correctly. Another occasion would be if you get hacked or you have malware on your site. Usually if you can go to a backup from before that time that you got the malware injected in your site and you restore the backup from before, that will get rid of the malware. It just depends. But anyway, what I wanted to do is I wanted to show you how easy it is that if you need to access your backups because something's gone wrong with your website, it's very easy to restore. So you just need to go to your Updraft Plus, your backup restore, and you will see the number of backups that you have. And you'll notice here on the right-hand side, it says restore or delete. So I did this backup just before the 25th of July. I did that before, and I've done an update now, so that's not included in this backup. So if I was to restore this backup, then you would see that there would be one update. So that's what I'm going to do to show you. So pretend the update that I did, it went wrong, and I didn't like it because something went wrong and it wasn't working properly. So all you need to do is click restore, and then it asks you, do you want to restore plugins, themes, uploads, other, and database? If you're not sure, click them all. And then just click next. And then it'll start looking for all of them. So you just have to wait for it to be looking, and it's downloading. So it's getting them all from your storage and bringing them back to your website. And it's just a matter of being patient. There you go. So it says it's retrieving them. They've been successfully processed. Now we can press restore and it'll bring it back. If you do not want to restore your net, and then choose some. So if you want to exclude anything, you can exclude things here, but we don't really want to do that. We're happy with everything, so we'll just click restore. And then you will see this, and it will tick it off as it goes through, as it restores things. And usually what it does at the end, they will all be ticked, and you will have nice that your website is then restored to what it was before. And we should see that I have one item then that needs updating because I backed up first and then I did my updates. So here it says restore is successful, and then you can just click on return to Updraft configuration. So when I do that, so it still says the backup's there, and you notice here I have got one thing that needs updating. So if I go to the update, it was this theme. Yep. So it's restored that previous version. That's how easy it is to restore. If you don't know how to set up the backups, check out my other tutorials. I'll put the links below, and you can check them out to see how to set this all up for yourself. It just makes it easy to manage your own security and to be able to access and fix up your own websites if you need to. Okay, I hope you found that useful. Take care, be kind to one another, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye.